welcome to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the rich world of literature. Today, we are exploring the fascinating Renaissance period in English literature, an era that redefined the way we think, write, and read. From Shakespeare's timeless plays to the poetic brilliance of Spenser, the Renaissance brought about a cultural rebirth that shaped modern literature. Stick around and let's explore the profound impact this period had on literary world. The Renaissance period, stretching from the 14th to the 17th century, marks a revolutionary era in European history, and its effects were deeply felt in English literature. This time, spanning roughly from 1500 to 1600, in England, saw a dramatic shift in artistic, literary, and cultural pursuit. In this video, we will explore the Renaissance period significance in English literature, examining key figures, movement, themes, and its lasting influence on the modern English language and literature. What is Renaissance? The Renaissance mean rebirth refers to the cultural revival of classic ancient times in Europe, specifically reviving the study of ancient Greek and Roman texts. During this time, Europe transitioned from the medieval era to a new world while in England, the Renaissance is often seen as a period of exploration, scientific discovery, artistic expressions, and notably literary achievements. Importance of the Renaissance in English literature. The Renaissance impact on English literature is profound. Writers began to embrace individualism, personal experience, and creativity, drawing inspiration from classical Greek and Latin texts. This period also brought with it a surge in humanism and intellectual movement that emphasized the value of human beings and their potential for greatness. In the realm of literature, this meant an explosion of poetry, drama, prose, and philosophical writing that laid the foundation for modern English literature. Historical context of Renaissance period, political and social changes. The Renaissance in England took place against a backdrop of significant political and social upheaval. The rise of the House of Tudor family, especially under the reign of Henry VIII and Elizabeth I, brought stability to the country after years of conflict. These rulers championed the arts and learning, making England a hub for intellectual and artistic growth. Moreover, England's growing influence on the world stage, including exploration and trade, contributed to a sense of national pride that echoed through its literature. Social changes such as the rise of merchant class and the beginning of the Protestant Reformation also left their mark on literary work. The influence of humanism. Humanism was one of the defining intellectual movements of the Renaissance, and it greatly influenced English writers. Humanists sought to revive the classical learning of Greece and Rome, focusing on subjects like rhetoric, ethics, and history. They believed that humans were capable of reason, creativity, and moral improvement. This worldview encouraged English writers to explore themes of individualism, personal freedom, and the complexities of human nature. Work from this period frequently dealt with the tension between the individual's desires and the constraint of society or religion. The rise of printing press. The invention of the printing press in the mid 15th century revolutionized the dimension of literature, and this technological breakthrough made books more accessible and affordable, contributing to the spread of the Renaissance ideas. It allowed for a mass production of literature, enabling writers to reach a broader audience and influencing the growth of literacy in country. Major literary movements and themes. Humanism and its influence on English writers. Humanism had a lasting impact on Renaissance writers, shaping both the themes of the work and the approach of literature. Writers like Sir Thomas had inspired from classic texts, incorporate ideas about the individual ethics and society into their works. Through humanism, writers explored the potential for human greatness and the importance of reason, learning, and moral virtues. The role of religion in Renaissance literature. Religions was another central theme in Renaissance literature, particularly as England underwent religious reform. The split with the Catholic Church invented by Henry VIII brought Protestantism to the forefront of English society, and this shift is reflected in the literature of this time. Writers like John Milton, though slightly later in the Renaissance, used literature to express religious and philosophical views. Works such as Paradise Lost reflect the tension between religious duty and the personal freedom, offering a window into the period's theological debates. The impact of classical antiquity on Renaissance work. The impact of classical ancient times on Renaissance work. Classic Greek and Roman literature profoundly impacted literature. English writers during the Renaissance, they drew from the works of Homer, Virgil, and other ancient authors, adopting classical forms and themes while adapting them to fit the need of the English-speaking world. The use of classical allusion, mythological reference, and philosophical themes become commonplace in Renaissance literature. This blending of classical influence with emerging English literary forms was part of what defined the era. Figures of the Renaissance in English literature, Sir Thomas More and Utopia. One of the most influential figures of the English Renaissance was Sir Thomas More, whose work Utopia is considered a landmark of Renaissance thought. Written in 1516, this philosophical text critiques contemporary society and imagines an ideal free society. More exploration of politics, society, and human nature exemplifies the Renaissance focus on reason, ethics, and the potential for human progress. Edmund Spenser and the Fairy Queen. Edmund Spenser, The Fairy Queen, 1590, is a masterpiece of English Renaissance literature. This epic poem, rich in allegory and classic allusion, presents a vision of medieval ideals exploring virtues such as loneliness, temperance, and justice. Spencer's work illustrates the Renaissance fascination with blending classical and medieval traditions. Christopher Marlowe and the Elizabethan drama. Christopher Marlowe, a contemporary of Shakespeare, was instrumental in the development of English drama during the Renaissance. His play Dr. Faustus, which explored themes of ambition, sin, and redemption, reflect the period concerned with human nature and the conflict between the spiritual and material world. William Shakespeare, the masters of the Renaissance stage. No figure in Renaissance literature is more famous than William Shakespeare. His plays, sonnets, and poetry transformed English literature and drama. Shakespeare's work continue to resonate with readers and audience today as they explore themes of love, power, betrayal, and the human condition. Shakespeare's mastery of language, his ability to blend the classic with contemporary, and his deep understanding of human nature make him the essential figure of English Renaissance. Development of English language during the Renaissance. Vocabulary expansion. During the Renaissance, the English language underwent significant growth. Writers introduced new words and expressions, many of which were borrowed from Latin and Greek, reflecting the Renaissance emphasis on classical education and humanism. Influence of Latin and Greek. Latin and Greek had a profound impact on the English language. Renaissance writers studied these ancient language, enriching English vocabulary and providing writers with new ways to express complex ideas. This influx of classical word and concept helped elevate English to a more sophisticated literary language. The standardization of English. As English literature flourished, the language itself began to standardize. The work of writers like Shakespeare, Spenser, and more helped cement English as a powerful literary language. The printing press also played a crucial role in the standardization of spelling and the grammar. Renaissance poetry, the sonnet, a popular form. The sonnet, particularly the Shakespearean and the Petrarchian forms, become one of the most popular poetic structures of the Renaissance. Writers like Shakespeare, Sir Philip Sidney, and Edmund Spenser used the sonnet to explore themes of love, time, beauty, and morality. The sonnet form allow poet to explore deep emotion and psychological ideas in a highly structured way, leading to some of the most beautiful and enduring poetry in English literature. Notable Renaissance poets and their works. Besides Shakespeare, several poets of the period contributed to the flourishing of Renaissance poetry. Sir Philip Sidney's Astrophile and Stella, Edmund Spenser's are examples of the period rich tradition of lyric poetry. Renaissance drama and theatre. The rise of Elizabethan theatre. The Renaissance saw the emergence of Elizabethan theatre, which transformed drama in England. The work of playwrights like Shakespeare, Marlowe, and Ben Jonson's elevated theatre to new heights, blending classical themes with contemporary English concerns. The global theatre and the Shakespeare legacy. Shakespeare's Globe Theatre became a symbol of the flourishing theatrical culture in Elizabethan England. Shakespeare's ability to craft complex plot, memorable characters, and profound themes made him a central figure in Renaissance theatre, ensuring his work would influence literature for centuries to come. Influence of Marlowe and Ben Jonson. Christopher Marlowe's tragedies such as Tamburlaine and Dr. Faustus laid the groundwork for Shakespeare's later play, particularly in terms of character complexities and tragic themes. Ben Jonson's another key figure brought a more statistical and classic approach to drama, contributing significantly to the development of English theatre. Conclusion. The Renaissance period in English literature was a time of remarkable creativity, intellectual exploration, and cultural transformation. From humanism to the development of the English language, the legacy of Renaissance can be seen in every corner of modern English literature. Writers like Shakespeare, Marlowe, and Spenser not only shaped the literature of their time but also paved the way for future generation of writers. The Renaissance emphasized on individuality, reason, and the classic helped foster an era of literary achievement that has left an permanent mark on the literary world. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Renaissance in English literature. I hope this exploration of classic work and iconic writers has sparked your interest in diving deep into this amazing period. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Literature with Sasha for more insightful discussion. Until next time, keep reading and stay inspired.